Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I'm putting together an easy fall tablescape that you can do. This is very casual. I didn't use any like fine china or anything like that. So it's easy to recreate, and I'm going to give you a few tips while creating a fall tablescape. So I always like to have like a runner, or in this case I'm using leaves as my table runner. And I got these from Michael's. I think for a strand was like $7.50 because they're on sale right now, 50% off. My second tip is to use layering. So I have two chargers, a plate plus a bowl, and then on top I have the napkins. So that way it kind of gives your place setting some height as opposed to just being completely flat. Another tip is to find something cute that you can use as a placeholder for your name tag. So for instance, I'm using these pears, and so whenever I have guests over, I'll put their names on the pear with using a little paper with a toothpick that you can stick inside, and that way everybody knows where they're sitting. Also be sure to have a centerpiece that is easily removable, like a large vase that you can just move off to the side so everybody can see each other. Thanks for flying by, friends, and I'll catch you again soon.